Hi, I'm Loan from Google Tech. Today I'm gonna show you this high adjust table desk that my kid built for himself. I'm kidding, of course I made it for him. So here it is at the lowest level of 33 centimeters or 13 inches, which he can sit on the floor and use it. It can go up to 68 centimeters or 27 inches. It means that your kid can use it for a long while. It has a tilt top, which is more ergonomic for the eye when writing or reading. It also has the compartment, so you can store the pencil, crayon, paper and toys here. My kids already filled it up. I am a mechanical engineer and I have these channels about mechatronic project. I don't have many woodworking tools at home, so I built this one with very basic tool. A meter saw, a drill, and a simple Kreg tool that you can find in any hardware store. So don't worry about hardware. Go ahead and build this table that rolls with your kid. I'm gonna put all the cuts and plans in the description. All you have to do is grab the materials and get it started. This is the cut list. All the pieces I used are 3/4 inch thick. You can cut them yourself. I asked the hardware store cut some of the big pieces for me. The rest you can cut them using the meter saw. First, I make the table size from the 3.5 by 19 inches pieces. You need to mark the real holes according to the drawing of the table size. The size of the hole depends on the size of wood inserts you use. Here I have 1/4 inches and the real hole is about 9 mm. Then, those holes can be used to clamp them together for the identical cut for the tilt angle of the tabletop. Now you can remove the clamp and install the inserts. Then you can use Kreg pocket hole jig to drill holes on the table back, table side, table front and table leg shots. You will need 10 for table back, 1 for each of table side, 2 for table front and 4 for each table leg shot. For the table back, I drill hole every 6 inches. For assembling the table, we can sand the table back a little bit before attaching it to the table side. Then, you can attach it to the table side, table top and table front. Then, we can turn the table over and nail the table base in. You can use a marking gauze to mark the nail spot. And then you can turn it back, adding the tabletop one with hinges. Depending on the hinges you use, leave enough gap for the top to be opened easily. Next step is to drill the holes on the table leg for high adjustment. I drill holes every 2 inches from the top. For each leg frame, you will need 2 table legs and 2 table leg shafts. Using the Kreg hole that we made before, you can attach them, make a rectangular frame. Then you will need to sand on the edges to remove all the splinter. If you plan to stand the tabletop one can be removed for better applying. When all the stands are done, you can assemble the whole table at the high level you prefer. And that's it how this table will make. It could have been faster if I have those professional tools, but you know you have to manage with whatever you have in hand. There are a couple of things I want to add to the table. For example, some block here to keep it flat when needed, or some figures here for decoration. I want to add some dinosaur in the back here because my kids love dinosaur. And I also plan to build a high adjustable chair to go with the table. So if you are interested, you can subscribe to the channel so you won't miss that video. And if you have any comment or question, let me know right below, and I will try my best to help. Happy making!